guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing my video, kindly click on the subscribe button, like my video and share. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for subscribing to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking on how to make your hair grow thicker. How to make your hair grow thicker according to experts. Thicker, healthier, shinier hair can be achieved with a little work. Everyone wants healthier, thicker and stronger hair. How to grow hair is the most questioned beauty experts are tired of hearing, because there is no right answer. Most of us are willing to do or buy anything that will help us achieve lush hair. But do not waste your time on pills or products that won't work for you. Here, I'll be talking about what you need to know on growing thicker and stronger hair the right way. Eat smarter. According to product technician specialists and certified trichologists, a diet full of healthy fat is essential for thick and healthy hair, while genetics determine hair texture and coils. Our diet plays a big role on your hair. Be sure to get plenty of good quality protein and good fats like olive oil and omega-3, avocado, nuts, vegetable, and fruit to get all the key nutrients needed for growing stronger hair. Use the right shampoo and conditioner. Different hair types require specific products that cater to their exact needs. Fruit shampoo and conditioner is good for all types of hair to boost the appearance and thickness and add shine. If you are always dealing with a dry, itchy scalp, use products with ingredients like other water, tea tree oil, and aloe vera. This will dissolve scalp building up for a healthier scalp. Do not overwash. Too much of a good thing can cause harm to your hair. And the mistake most people make is overwashing. This doesn't mean you shouldn't wash your hair. Just don't go more than a few days before washing. Once or twice a week is the perfect duration. Start with your scalp. When it comes to hair growth, your scalp is the main focus. The scalp has a rich microbiome of bacteria and fungi that helps to keep the hair to grow healthy. When you use harsh or bad products on your scalp, it leads to skin problems that negatively affect hair growth. The skin has immunity functions and is our first line of defense against toxins and environmental aggressors. When the scalp is compromised, it surely can't defend itself. Keeping a healthy balance of moisture and natural oil is important on the scalp, just as it is on the face. It is recommended to limit any product with a high pH level, and massaging your scalp helps to activate blood flow and to avoid washing your hair more than twice a week. Choose smart supplements. Taking a multivitamin along with your hair supplement can make a big difference. Adding that certain vitamins, mineral, and fatty acid are necessary for healthy hair follicles functions and growth. This needs to be added for many people along with a healthy diet. Do not overuse hot tools. It can be hard not to use hairdryer or flat iron, but if you truly want healthier hair, keeping hot tools used at its minimum, this will lessen hair damage and it will make a huge difference. If there is need to use hot tools, make sure you apply heat protector. Overbrushing. Regular and deliberate brushing can affect your hair thickness. And brushing every day regardlessly of your hair texture will also help exfoliate the scalp and remove dead hair. But it is only helpful if you are using the right brush. Wide-toothed soft comb is advisable. Lastly, be patient. Results can take 3 to 6 months. Thank you for watching my video. If you find this helpful, kindly drop a comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share.